guys, it's Monica. I'm here today to be doing my everyday makeup routine. So I just had a shower. I have just a little lotion on my face. Otherwise, I am totally naked. So let's get started. So this is my giant makeup bag. It is sometimes organized, sometimes a mess. Currently, it is a giant mess. So I'm going to organize everything and find the products that I will be using today. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting on primer. I like to use this one, Tea Tree Pore Minimizer. It looks like boogers on my face. Okay, so next I'm doing foundation. Actually, no. I'm going to be using Cover Up. I use this concealer stick to cover up this acne. I get acne only on one side of my face because I sleep only on one side of my face. So next I'm going to be mixing 3 products together. I like to mix this tiny strobe cream with this lighter foundation and with another foundation. I mix all 3 because I'm a crazy lady. I don't know how people have towels on their heads. That was like my first time having one on in so long, and it is just like holding, I don't know, a giant rock on top of your head. Like, how do people do that? I'm going to use concealer, and I'm going to put some under my eyes and cover up all of my acne and maybe do a little contour. Now I'm going to take my contour stick and do a tiny bit of contours. On with some powder. This one is just like a clear powder. I'm just gonna put it on so I don't crease or start to have like really cakey. Next I'm gonna take some powder that is true to my skin, I guess, or the color that I want to be, like a little bit darker. Take my eyeshadow brush and my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go with this like really light skin pink color. gonna take this genuine pink color that also has a little bit of like shiny, shimmery. Brush, and I'm gonna go into this like taupe, like brown color. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush and blend it. Now I'm going to do my black eyeliner. I like to use liquid eyeliner, and let's see how this goes. Surprised I got my eyeliner like almost the exact. Alright, so now I'm going to do brows. I already have thick full brows. I basically just go in with a pencil to define the shape and fill in any tiny holes that I may have. So I have my glue, my tweezers, and my lashes. I wear these ones almost every day. They just give me like a fuller, longer, prettier lash. So now every day I'm pretty much wearing falsies, which it's an annoying extra step in my makeup routine, but what can you do? Now my face is almost done. I'm going to do lips. So lately I've been obsessed with ombre lips. I think they look so much better than just having one color. It's like a little bit more natural, and maybe her lips are just purple, who knows? I like to use this one, and I also Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my everyday makeup routine. I am going to be posting more videos on the reg, so hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and give me a comment if you like this video. Thank you guys. Bye!